Hey guys, if you're building a faceless YouTube channel or using AI-generated content, this video is for you. Because starting July 15th, 2025, YouTube has officially rolled out a major update to its monetization policy, and it could make or break your channel. YouTube is now tightening the rules around what they call mass-produced or repetitive content. This includes AI-generated content without added value, AI voiceovers reading generic or copied scripts, faceless videos with no human creativity or commentary, reaction, compilation, or slideshow videos with no personal touch. Basically, YouTube is saying, if your content feels robotic, repetitive, or lacks originality, it may no longer qualify for monetization under the YouTube Partner Program. Let me give you a few examples to make things easier to understand. For instance, take the Revenge Realm channel. This type of channel could be heavily affected by the new policy, even though it's currently still monetized. Another example is Stoic Vision, a channel that also uses AI to generate content. The videos are simple, use AI voice, and feel mass-produced. After July 15th, this type of content might be at risk too.
On the other hand, there are AI-related channels like Yellow Dude GravGear. This one has published only 71 videos, but already gained over 886K subscribers. The creator likely uses AI to generate images and videos, writes the scripts, and uses video editing software to put everything together. The content is clearly engaging and well thought out. It's not just a matter of hitting generate and uploading. I believe this type of channel won't be affected by the new policy, even after July 15th. Another example is Buddha Whispers, which also integrates AI. This channel focuses on the law of attraction. These kinds of videos require real knowledge and personal experience. If you watch just one video and listen to the script, you'll notice that the content seems to be written and refined based on real-life experience. Yes, it's true that with AI, it's now very easy to create similar videos quickly and in bulk. But what makes the difference is the insight and experience of the creator, something AI alone can't replicate. That human touch is what could help the channel remain unaffected by the new rules. We'll have to wait and see what happens after July 15th. But one thing is clear, YouTube still encourages creators to use AI, as long as the content is authentic and original, not copied, not mass-produced, and not just quickly edited with a few AI tools. In their words, we are updating our policies to better identify mass-produced, repetitive, or inauthentic content, particularly from automated or AI-driven processes. These updates ensure monetization remains for creators who provide original value and human creativity.
In short, AI is allowed, but authenticity is required. YouTube wants to make sure real creators get rewarded, not mass-produced channels with zero personal input.
Here's the good news. You can still use AI, as long as it supports your own original creative work. YouTube is not banning AI tools, but it's watching closely how you use them.
To stay safe, write your own scripts, and feel free to use AI voice or better, clone your voice, as long as the content is yours. Add personal commentary, insights, or storytelling to make the content feel human. Avoid copy-pasting from other sources or from AI with no edits. Show creativity in editing, scripting, voice delivery, or visuals. If your channel relies on AI or faceless content, now is the time to review your videos and make sure they reflect your unique voice, ideas, and effort. Don't let this policy change stop your growth. Use it as a chance to level up your content. Like, comment, and subscribe if you want more creator tips and updates on how to survive YouTube's algorithm and policy changes. Thanks for watching. Stay creative, and I'll see you in the next video.